Hey, quick one by builders for builders. If you're like us, you probably miss a lot Clearbit's company logo API. It was amazing, it was completely free, and got shut down when they got acquired by HubSpot. So we decided to build exactly the same thing. No sign up, no API key. You just use our new company logo API. So let me show you how it works. You just copy the little snippet, little URL here in the browser, and boom, you've got the image. So what can you build with that? Let me show you an example. Here I've got a list of company domains on a Google Sheet, and I can just here create an expression, an image expression, drop the URL I just copied, but instead of using hunter.io directly as a hard-coded string, I can just use an expression. Here we go, A1. I will put the mode as 4. It's just a little Google Sheet tweak. 30 pixels and 30 pixels. Click enter, and boom, it's loading directly the logo. And what is very cool is that if I double click here, it loads all the other logo of my company list. So to be honest, we are super excited with this. So if you need to, I don't know, fill a UX, enrich a database, do autocomplete forms, ABM, landing pages, whatever. And honestly, we are super curious to see what you're going to build with this. So please find us on LinkedIn because you don't require an account, and just let us know what you built and let us know about your project. That's it for me. Have a lovely day. See you in the next one. Peace. Bye.